Hello, welcome to Home Decorating Ideas. Today, we are diving into the exciting world of creative storage solutions for small spaces. Whether you're living in a cozy apartment, a compact studio, or just trying to make the most out of limited square footage, I have got a treasure trove of ideas to transform your space into a heaven of organization and style. Let's kick off our journey with the magic of multifunctional furniture. Consider pieces that pull double duty, like a sofa that transforms into a bed or a coffee table with hidden storage compartments. These ingenious designs maximize your space without sacrificing style, allowing you to seamlessly switch difference between functionalities to suit your needs. Now, let's talk about the underutilized power of vertical space. Think floor-to-ceiling shelving units or wall-mounted cabinets that will make the most of every inch. Vertical storage not only draws the eye upward, creating an illusion of height, but, but also provide ample room of organizing room, decor, and other essentials without encroaching on valuable floor space. For those seeking a touch of whimsy, consider floating shelves with a twist. Mix and match different shapes and sizes to create a dynamic and visually interesting display. Floating shelves not only serve as practical storage, but also add an artistic flair to your walls, turning everyday items into decorative elements. Next up, let's explore the transformative power of hidden storage. Furniture with secret compartments or concealed storage under seating can be a game changer. Ottomans that open up to reveal spacious interiors or beds with built-in drawers underneath are clever ways to keep your space clutter-free while maintaining a sleek and modern aesthetic. Now, let's dive into the realm of modern furniture. Pieces that can be rearranged or expanded based on your needs, provided flexibility in small spaces. Consider modular shelving units, modular sofas, or even foldable tables that can be tucked away when not in use. This adaptability ensures that your furniture grows with you and your changing spatial requirements. For the kitchen, let's explore the flair of magnetic storage. Magnetic stripes on the wall or inside cabinet doors can hold knives, spice containers. This not only frees up counter space but also adds an element of modernity to your culinary haven. Now, let's discuss the underrated hero of small spaces, the power of decluttering. Embrace the minimalist lifestyle by only keeping items that truly brings a joy and serve a purpose. Consider investing in stylish storage boxes or baskets to Keep essentials out of sight, maintaining a clean and uncluttered look. Moving on to the bedroom, let's talk about the space-saving brilliance of loft beds. Elevating your bed allows you to utilize the space underneath for a desk, a cozy reading nook, or additional storage. It's a smart solution for maximizing both sleeping and living areas in compact room. Now, let's address the challenge of small closets. Optimize your closet space with slim hanging organizers, and tight shoe racks. Consider installing additional shelves or hooks to make the most of vertical space. A well-organized cupboard not only saves space but also streamlines your morning routine. As we navigate through these creative storage solutions, always remember that organization is the key to unlocking the true potential of small spaces. Whether you're drawn to multifunctional furniture, vertical storage, floating shelves, hidden compartments, modular designs, foldable wonders, magnetic kitchen solutions, the minimalist approach, loft beds, or optimizing closet space, there's a creative storage idea waiting to elevate your small space. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more space saving inspiration, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining me on this exploration. Happy designing! Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.